Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to I Heart Kenya. I hope you're having a wonderful festive season, and I'm back again with another tutorial. So for today's look, we're going to be doing this simple nude look inspired by Kylie Jenner. I hope you enjoy it, and be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and share with your friends. Thank you. So let's get down into this look. First off, I'm going to pack on a brown shade. This will act as my transition shade, and then I'm going to blend it out upwards into the brow using a lighter color just to create that gradient effect. So now that I have the brown packed where it needs to be, I take this black liner pencil and create a wing that we're going to smoke out later on. I'm using the same brown shade that I used before to smoke out the wing and create a gradient effect towards the upper part of the lid. Then I'm going to go back with the same black eyeliner just close to the waterline just to make the black a little bit more intense. So here I'm using a really light nude shade just to create a contrast so that the lid is just not one color and to bring a little bit of light to the front part of the lid. So now that the eyes are done, we can get right into the rest of the face. I'm going in with my foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 355 Pecan. Note to self, never leave anything hanging around. My son decided to make my beauty blender part of his snack. So here I'm just blending in the foundation with my beauty blender. It's a damp beauty blender. I find that this works better than a brush. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer. So the rest of the face is pretty much straightforward. I go in with my concealer and then I contour, and then I'm going to go right in and set the face and bake. I did this look as part of a 2-in-1 series. You can wear this particular look, especially the eyes, as a day look, and then I'm going to show you in another video how you can revamp it and spice it up for an evening look. So stay tuned. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you stick around to see the second part of the look. I also want to take this opportunity to thank you so much for 200 subscribers. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and your support means so much to me. Thank you, and let's keep spreading the word so that we can be able to grow together in this makeup journey. Stay tuned for the second part of the video where we turn this simple look into this divine, sultry evening look.